Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rocket Cinquantotto espresso machine. Now for this machine we have done quite a lot of work as we've been testing a lot of the plumbing of this machine. This one that you see right here. Right now the machine is working in plumbing mode. We have this adapter that is connected to our water hose. But I'm just basically going to leave it through here, from here and out. This is where you can plug any other stuff from different from either a junket or something coming up from your sink. So hopefully this will definitely let you plumb in this machine. It is not leaking, as you see from here. It's definitely not leaking from the bottom or anything like that. I had this machine completely open a few minutes ago, as you see right here. This is while the machine is at full pressure and at full water line pressure as well. No leaks coming out from anywhere. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Sadly for this machine we had to redo everything that you see right here. All these little fittings were installed incorrectly. Some of them were also stripped, especially this one that you see right here. We could not reuse this again as they had a lot of blue tape and a bunch of other things in there that after I cleaned it just showed that it was just stripped. So we had to replace that. We had to replace a couple other fittings on the machine. We had to order those, which delayed the entire process. Plus, we also had to test this machine for a couple of days to make sure it was not leaking from anywhere of the fittings or any parts of the machine. Also, we check around the boiler, making sure everything's working all right, that there's nothing happening or anything. Everything is pressurizing properly. We were testing the machine with the water tank. The water tank is definitely working. Make sure that the contacts were working the way it's supposed to. So yes, we tested both on water tank and the water line of this machine. We also had to make sure the water line pressure of the machine is working as well. And we had to adjust the water pump. As you can see, definitely water coming out from the water line. Again, no leaks. Going up 10 bars, going up to 4 bars, which is perfect. Working the way it's supposed to. Excellent steam coming out from the one. With great pressure. Let me get a container. For the hot water. Nice hot water coming out from here. As you can hear, machine is filling the boiler. There you go. Working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, Rocket Cinquantotto working once again with the new line plumbing and no leaking. Thank you so much for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.